Hey everyone, Andrew here at Wiseline Tools. Today we're going to compare the Makita DTD154Z impact and the DTS141Z oil impulse. We will be driving in an 8-inch timber screw with each impact, and we will compare speed, decibel level, and weight. I will be using a fully charged 6 amp hour battery. The DTD154Z comes in at 3.5 pounds, followed by the DTS141Z coming in at also 3.5 pounds. The 154 was able to drive in the 8-inch timber screw in 2 seconds, peaking at 74 decibels, while the 141 was able to drive in the 8-inch timber screw in 3 seconds, peaking at only 70 decibels. There you have it. We hope this comparison was helpful for you. Both impacts are available online and in store. Till next time, have a good one.